All right, hello people and welcome. This is a video on the 3 phases of the AI agency. I'll be talking a lot about this new AITP, AI Transformation Partner thing. And I've talked about the AI Automation Agency and AI Agency and there's like AI Infrastructures and Growth Partners Agency. Just a million and one different AI types of business models these days, which I guess is a good thing. But just maybe for the beginner who's in here getting a bit confused about all these different terms that get thrown around, I just want to simplify how I see it, how I sort it out in my head, and I think it's going to be pretty valuable for you. So yeah, here we are on Miro, and I'm going to start off with a bit of a ramp shape like this. So we have ramp there, and then we have this bit, and then we have this bit, right? So this, it's not an Adidas logo. It is actually a a sequence of steps, progression of your AI agency or AI service-based business. So down the bottom here, we have the let me put it here, triple A, AI Automation Agency model. And then we have the AI agency. And then the final step here, which I've been talking about a lot recently, is the AITP, AI Transformation Partner. So a lot of different acronyms. So let's make sense of it. So I just want to clarify what each of these terms means, how they're different, when you should start one, when you should move to the other, etc. So the AI Automation Agency down here is the starting point, the on-ramp to the AI business space that I came up with a few years ago. And I spotted this opportunity because Morningside AI, when I started this YouTube channel, I just started making YouTube videos about what I was into in AI, talking about how it can help businesses and how you can start businesses with it. And then I got a whole bunch of interest and, hey, can you help me? I was building these like custom knowledge chatbot things on YouTube here. You can still find the videos. And I started getting people who are interested in those AI chatbots that I was building. And so I started selling AI consulting calls. I had a Calendly link, it was like $300 for 45 minutes. And all these people were booking in. And by the end of the calls, they were asking me like, hey, well, can you just build this stuff for me? And so I kind of naturally was like, yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to monetize this whole AI thing. So I guess, yeah, I can start building it. So I found a guy on Upwork and I started Morningside AI as an entity. And that was just before we'd realized the whole low code, no code potential of the AI space. This was more of an AI agency where you were doing sort of custom dev. And we were writing using like LangChain, coding this in Python, and building AI systems for people using like Pinecone and RAG systems. And at the time, we saw it as just an AI development company. We were building software that used AI using traditional coding methods. And so that's what I now define as an AI agency. And in May of 2023, we started experimenting with using low code and no code tools to deliver the same kinds of chatbots that I was talking about. So that was things like BotPress, and then VoiceFlow. And then of course there's like make.com, Zapier at the time, and using low code and no code tools to deliver the same kind of stuff that we were doing on the custom dev side. And that was like the aha moment when I was like, holy moly, we're selling this stuff. Like I was just able to go onto this low code platform and whip up something in a few hours that we were charging $10,000 or $15,000 for when we custom coded it. And that was like the aha moment that now these hundreds of millions of people, like many of you have been watching my videos for a while, who could get into this, could build AI stuff for businesses using low code and no code platforms. Like in this case, the chatbot builders of VoiceFlow and BotPress, the things like make.com where you had the ChatGPT nodes in it as well. And so that was the aha moment, and that gave birth to the AI Automation Agency model, or AAA, which is what many of you have probably been running for a long time. And that's the beginner on-ramp. The whole point of that model that I really tried to point out is that is the on-ramp. The magic part of it is that if you are non-technical, you can now start to ease into it. You can build very basic automations with a little AI integration in it. And you can build momentum, you can get experience, you can help your dad, you can help your mum or your auntie's business or your friends, or start to help people around you with the stuff. And even as a non-technical person who's not an AI PhD, that like most people still think that you need to have some kind of fancy degree in AI to get into this stuff. But the experience that you can gain through an AI automation agency model allows you to actually become, in the areas that you spend the most time, an expert in AI implementation and AI automation for that industry. Say you do a lot of work in I don't know, the construction industry. After you've done like 4 or 5 projects for AI automation within the construction industry, you're like at you're leading the pack in terms of knowledge of how AI can help those businesses. And that was the sort of magic part about the AI automation agency model. And the AI agency is sort of the upward shift from that, in that once you've cut your teeth, you sort of know how to do development, you know how to manage your team, you've got a consistent lead flow coming in. Maybe you've made 3,000, I can probably put down here. So the ticket price of these will probably be like anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000. You can maybe sell like a 10K package if you've found a good niched offer and you're selling that sort of multiple times to different businesses. But for the most part, you're going to be seeing sort of around this range for the ticket size of these projects. But in order to get more than that and to make a bit more money per project, you need to, one, establish a consistent lead flow, and that usually comes through content or ads, or if you've got like a cold email system that's working, you can then hire a full stack developer who's capable of building like actual software and applications for your clients. So this is what we did at Morningside. After starting here and going back to there, then we went back to here because we wanted to increase this ticket size to at least over 10K was our initial point. And that quickly rose to like minimum of 30K, or it wasn't worth the effort for us of the proposals and calls and all of this freaking around. And so the shift from AI automation agency to an AI agency is the hiring of better dev talent. And also hiring them full time. So you have a guy, maybe you're spending $7,000, $8,000 even a month. You're gonna need a pretty solid lead generation system to be able to support something like that. But once you have that key hire and like your first full-time, full stack, and ideally with some sort of AI experience as well, developer, and then you're able to offer these 30K, 40K, 50K projects that are much more, there's much more to them than just a basic set of automations, right? You can build a whole a platform. You can build a whole like SaaS for them, as we did. Our first 100K project at Morningside was a full AI SaaS platform for a training people in the healthcare space. And that was the first time we were able to jump really up into the big leagues of these 6-figure projects. And this comes through the custom dev capabilities of an AI agency. So that's the AI agency kind of explained. It's having more full stack capabilities and being a sort of a true AI development company that allows you to get much bigger deals up to sort of 6 figures and beyond. And so the final step here is from AI agency to AI transformation partner, which I've got some videos on it. I'll link it up here or something, or in the description or whatever, maybe at the end. But this AI transformation partner model is at least the final evolution that we see at Morningside as where the industry is going. So that's why at Morningside we're shifting to this AI transformation partner model, where it's minimum sort of $100,000 engagements, starting off with a 30, 40, 50, 60K AI consultancy gig, which I've touched in depth in another video, which I'll link. But the AI transformation partner model is essentially not just treating the development portion as everything. There's a whole lot before that can come in terms of, hey, we're not ready for development yet. Many businesses are not ready for development yet. Many of you guys will know from my videos on the technology adoption lifecycle like this. So we have the innovators here, the early adopters here, the early majority here, the late majority, and then the laggards, right? So the adoption of a new technology can be split up like this. And when you're offering development services, you basically can only attack the people who are ready for development. And that is actually a much smaller, a very tiny portion of the total market of businesses who are interested in AI. So by moving into this AI transformation partner model, you broaden the potential market of businesses you can serve, because you're not just going for the development ready people who are here, these early adopters. You're able to tap into the early majority and even the late majority, which is actually the majority of the market here, because you offer a discovery process. Like, hey, we are your AI transformation partner. We will walk you through from here to here. From your very first, like, hey, we're going to do a kickoff with an introduction to AI workshop for your team. We're going to explain what this stuff is. We're going to explain the strengths of it, the weaknesses of it, the risks, the key terminology, how to manage privacy, etc. We will educate you, and then we'll go into a discovery phase where we will fully understand your business. We'll map out all of your processes, and then, only then, will we start to prescribe what we think you should implement and work on. So you're able to get these 6-figure minimum deals, because you can get, as we've been doing at Morningside, $60,000 for a 4-week audit. And that's where my team of consultants will go in and map all their processes out. And then at the end of that, we see, depending on the business, you can get up to like 250,000 in dev deals off the back of that as well. So we call this more of like an extended sales cycle, where you get to build a lot of trust and ease into it. You get to know the team really well. You build a lot of trust and rapport. And ultimately, because you've fully mapped out the business, like, this happens here, and then Sandy comes over here, and then pass it to Bill, and then it goes back into the CRM and it does this. Once you know all of that stuff, you can make really good recommendations on what that business needs to do in terms of moving towards actual AI adoption. And so by the end of your discovery phase and your AI audit, they are ready to pay for this stuff because you've actually taken the time to get to know them, you've built trust with them, and you actually understand their business. So that is the final evolution of the AI automation agency, or the AI agency model. We start off with the AI automation agency being the low-code entry point for many people who are not technical. Once you've got a bit of momentum, you've got hands-on with actually delivering it in business, you understand the ecosystem of tools that exist, you understand the different use cases for AI within businesses, then you can start to roll that into hiring full-time developers that are much better at doing development than you and have a much broader skill set. So you can start to offer things like full SaaS platforms and other much larger deliverables and projects than just the 3 to 5K automation. And they can be anywhere from $30,000 up to $100,000 as we do at Morningside. And then finally, once you've been doing that for a while, the final progression is to this AI transformation partner model, where you offer them a full service, transforming their business from just here at the absolute starting line to, okay, we're going to figure out, one, we're going to train you up, we're going to identify where the best opportunities are for you, we're going to build them for you, and then we're going to help you manage your AI innovation and management and strategy long term as a partner. And that's how you can build long-term relationships that will get you hundreds of thousands of dollars in lifetime value. So that is the 3 phases of the AI agency. If you're interested in learning more about this one in particular, the AI transformation partner, I've just done a full video on it, which you can find, I'll put over here. Breaking that down and how you can start one. Hope they gave you a bit of clarity. There's so many terms floating around. Just wanted to kind of sort them out for you here so that you know the progression and how I see it. It might help you as well. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.